Have you been thinking, I sure would love to get a crochet style, but you're thinking because you have hair loss, thin hair, short hair, or alopecia, that I can't get crochet braids or a crochet style? I am here to tell you, ladies, yes, you can. You too can wear beautiful crochet styles just like everyone else. All you need is the right stylist to do the job for you. In this video, as you can see, my client does have some severe hair loss in the front, on the sides, and at the top as well. But again, no worries, ladies, because I am here to help. Yes, I started off by giving her a healthy braid pattern that's going to be healthy for her hair as well as for the style that she's going to be getting. I already moisturized and hydrated her hair with our G&G hair growth butter and our hair growth oil. Yes, tap the link in the description below to get your order in today. As you can see, with this style, I'm going to be using the 5-inch lace part cap. Yes, this is a 5-inch lace part crochet cap. You can use this for crochets as well as for a sew-in too, because I use them for both. Oh my gosh, I love, love, love this cap. Look how durable it is. Look how stretchy it is. And this 5-inch lace part is absolutely fantastic. The cap is very durable, is stretchy, is comfortable. It is made for big heads as well. It does come with combs in there. There's about 3 combs, one in the front, one in the back, and there's also one in the middle. But because my client is getting crochet braids, I am going to take these combs out. I do not want them sticking in her hair or getting tangled or snagging her natural hair. So I took those combs out, and then I am going to do a special method. This is my own technique where I install one braid going around the perimeter. Why am I doing this? Because I want to give this cap some extra stability. Yes, I want to make sure that this cap stays in place the whole duration that she has this style up. And this is how I'm going to do this, by inserting this braid around the perimeter. And I also sewed that cap down as well, because again, I want it to be station stable. I do not want it to slip, slide, or shift. And this is the beautiful ombre here that we are going to be using. Yes, they are box braids. It's an ombre gray. It's 1B at the top, and then it goes into a gray. And this hair was so easy to work with. I loved working with this crochet braids. These are the very small box braids, but they are so easy to work with. They didn't tangle, they didn't snag, they didn't unravel. And if you have not tried them, try them. So again, ladies, look how this style is coming out. It is coming out absolutely gorgeous. It's going to be nice and full. No one is ever going to know that she has any hair loss in any areas, not in the front, the top, the sides. So again, continue to keep watching. I'm going to show you how this style was completely achieved. Again, support my channel by subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, and please tap that bell so you do not miss any of my new videos, as I upload new videos every single day. Yes, tune into my channel every single day to see my new videos. Again, continue to keep watching and see how this beautiful style is achieved. I'm going to show you the front, the sides, and that 5-inch lace part. Again, Hey. What's the basic? It's not. I'm done. See, that's where I need to be, where they are. Mom, that's fine. I know, but listen, great. I feel like it's fine. This is true, and I love you. There's nothing wrong with looking, though. I can look. Doesn't mean I'm gonna touch. I'm just saying, right? I can look. Okay, nothing wrong with looking. That's good for the soul. Absolutely. What? I mean, what's it? Yeah, I'm not sure. You can have a second. Damn. Freak. That's cute. That's cute. Nope. Bringing you another beautiful style. Even with hair loss around her edges, this style is going to come out absolutely gorgeous. Continue to keep watching for the end results.